In today's video, I'll teach you how to unsend messages on Discord. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in discord.com, press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Discord, click on this option, open Discord. Or instead of doing that, you can also open the Discord application if you want. Now you can see over here, Discord has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to unsend the message, it is actually very simple. Simply click on the direct message, or you can also go to the server of your choice. Now after you do that, click on the channel of your choice. Now find the message that you would like to unsend. Hover over it. Now you'll be able to find various icons over here. Click on the three dots that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option, delete message, that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, this kind of pop-up will appear. Click on this option, delete, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here your message has been unsent. So that is how you unsend messages on Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.